Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, this is Taylor Welding, and today I'm going to show you how to build a simple hinge or something that needs to move, that needs to be strong, that you don't want to spend a lot of time and money on. This is a dolly that's going in a container. We're going to use this to pull, do one on both sides. It's got some grease zerts, and I just kind of want to show you real quick how easy it is. Pretty self-explanatory, but let's go out here and I'll build one for you real quick. Here's our piece of 2 7/8 pipe. Jose chopped that out for me. Piece of 3/8 plate with a hole. Just blew it in there with a torch. And it's going to go right here after we put our 2 3/8 inside the 2 7/8. Nice and tight. Okay. I cut the pipe a little bit shorter so there's like this much room, and when it comes over it will hit one of these caps, because I've got a cap going here, and that it'll touch that instead of the pad eye getting hung up over here. So it'll only be able to move that much. Okay, so we're going to drill some holes in the back of this for our grease zert. Now we're going to put one cap on one side. If you'll cut these caps just a little bit small, it gives you something to weld to. Just a little lip right there. Let it raise up, pop it down. Okay, now we'll drop our 2 3/8 inside the 2 7/8. Put the other cap on the other side. It's trapped in there. Now we're going to want to stand it up like this. And we've beveled this plate a little bit with a torch. You can tell. So I want to get all the way in there. I'm going to make a mark here and a mark here. Make us a little dot for our piece of plate to have a little gap. Place to, so we can get full penetration. Tackle one end, look down and see if it's straight. Put a cap on it. the other side. This is way overkill. On this side, we put the grease zerks in the back because I noticed on the front, I put the grease zerks here, and the grease is going to want to go here and never make it back here. So we put them on the back. It should, you know, get most of this, most of that. And I probably should have put another one right there, but I bet when the sun hits it and that stuff moves around, it'll be fine. Roll it down where no water gets in again. And tack it. I'll put about 1.5 inches here, 1.5 inches here, all the way around, a couple on the back, and this thing will be done. Guys, that's a simple hinge. You'll come up with 100 ways to use 2 7/8 and 2 3/8 together. Have an awesome, awesome day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.